Alrighty guys, how's it going out there? Rooster and 10, roostercb.com, Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. This is actually one of ours. This is a performance tune, loaded if you will. Has the Ranger Echo board, variable power, variable dead key, performance tune, all that good stuff done to it. So this is one that was actually sold here a while back. It went out to Hawaii. Customer got it and was actually liking it, enjoying it, told me he liked it. But unfortunate thing happened and he had a failure. You guys know that happens from time to time. If you spent any time in radio, you've either tore something up that wasn't your fault or tore several things up that was your fault. I know I have. So unfortunate turn of events. He told me that he was talking on it, everything was fine. The talkback started getting kind of blurry on it, and then it let out the magical smoke and smelled of burnt electronics. Well, it did end up blowing a final, so we're trying to take care of him here, get him back going for a minimal cost, and going to ship it back to him for free. So he's not going to have to pay me to ship it back out there, just a minimal cost for the repair, and I feel like that's fine, okay? You know, guys, I've told you this before, you can't just sit here and, you know, blindly just warranty everything. All right, stuff happens. There's a lot of stuff that people get stuff that's out of my control. I don't know if that was the case with this guy. His setup may be perfect. I don't know, but I'm obviously not there, so I couldn't tell you. As far as that goes, you know, as someone that buys a lot of brand new stuff, I'll tell you guys, whether you're buying it direct, and you guys probably don't care about this or maybe don't know about this, but if you're buying stuff directly from these wholesalers or even directly from the manufacturer, very rarely will they just straight up warranty something. They will, you know, you can get 5 radios in DOA and they're going to make you send it to the warranty center. They're not going to say, hey, just send that back and we'll send you 5 more. So just food for thought. I think my policy is pretty fair. It's kind of a case-by-case deal. And again, I try to use my best judgment to help people out. And that policy is, of course, available on the website. And, you know, again, like I've always told people, if you don't agree with it, then you don't have to do business with me. But I try to be fair and do people right. So this customer's been great. He's been very patient. You know, no issues with him whatsoever. Again, we just want to get him back going. I know it's very frustrating when people run into issues. Okay, if anybody can tell you about that, it's me. I've had my fair share, big ones and little ones. So let's check her out, make sure she's good to go, and we will get him back going on the air here. So 50 watt slug here, average power first. Hello, audio. You guys can hear the echo and the talkback working, I'm sure. About 8.5, 9 bird there. I'm trying to remember where we've got the dead key set on this one. All right, we got the dead key on the SWR cow knob. Hello, audio. So from 4 watts, you get about 9. Obviously, if you turn it back. Hello, audio. That's still about 9 or so. PEP. Hello, audio. Test. Audio. Showing some big old PEP numbers there. So she's good to go, man. I hope it lasts you a lot longer this time. Like I said, I don't know what the hell happened. We've sold a bunch of these, and it's really the first time that's ever happened. I'm not saying it's his fault at all. Definitely not saying that. It could have just been a freak ordeal. You know, stuff happens from time to time. Electronics break, guys. Part of it. Like I tell people, if you can't withstand some repairs or some unexpected failures, you probably don't want to get into the CB radio business, because it can happen to any of us. I've had everything from $4,000, $5,000 transformers fail, you know, $1,200, $1,500 rotors, and everything you guys can think of. Trust me, I've been through it. I've burned up more coax than probably some people's entire station is worth. And I don't say that as a brag, but I'm just telling you guys, I know your frustration when you have issues. I'm not someone that just sits here and sells stuff and does not care when people have problems. I hate it, okay? There's nothing I hate worse than when somebody has an issue with a radio or a piece of equipment, because I've been there. Alrighty, thanks everybody. Rooster and 10, roostercb.com. This one will be heading back out to Hawaii. Click, see you, bye.